Welcome to Culture Corner with Dr. Sue. Yes, man. At Emancipendence time, you know. Yes, right in at the center. We did have Emancipation Day down there. So, and now we in at the middle because we are work we way to independence. So guess what? We as Jamaicans call it Emancipendence. You think we easy? Lord have mercy. Yes, we are come up to the time where we get all the song them. Oh, cherry, oh, baby. Don't you see I'm in love with you? Uncle Benji in the yard, sit down pan a stone, pananana. Him no care about the festival, make the float them go on. Talk about float, you remember them days there? All they float and we go out and we in a barefoot pants and big heel boot. And you remember the calico? Lord of mercy. We used to, growing up, festival was the thing, man. So now we're there in the diaspora and we are celebrate Emancipendence because we're there right between emancipation and independence. So here what Dr. Sue, have to say about Emancipendence. Mr. Jamaicans bossy can't done. We know how to celebrate and have fun. Some islands celebrate emancipation, some celebrate independence. But no, not Jamaica. We celebrate Emancipendence. Yes, August 1st is when it starts. Emancipation Day. Oh, it still warm my heart. Right back to August 6th, Day of Independence, a culmination of festival, artistry and street dance. When we now find big heel boot and barefoot pants, we are sport crocus bag, calico and bandana for enhance. Yes, man, we get in a line and rock with body in time. Cause in this year season, everybody fine. Horticultural show and community fair, Jankuno and float everywhere. Merriment and talent galore, fun can done and we holla for more. Jamaicans at home and abroad all act like say they in their yard as we celebrate and prance in memory of we Emancipendence. Yes, Mr. Jamaicans bossy can done. We know how to celebrate and have fun. We show off with black, with green, and with gold. Yes, man. Cause that's how we big, we bad, and we bold. Yes, holy but we but you see over the coming weeks if we get down into history and just try and pull out the things and share them with them little ones, this next generation. Yes, you mothers and grandmothers, pull. We want them. We have such a rich heritage. We got to keep this culture alive. So Dr. Sue say yes, man. So guess what, if you enjoy the season, try and do something, even if I forget pan Zoom or Team or whatever, and fi zoom in with the family and just chat. So no chats, talk big boy story, talk a Nancy story, and all them something there, and just keep with culture and keep it going, because not even COVID can keep it down. But you know what, in the middle of it all and all this festivity, we just give a welcome and just thank God for where we are, and our hearts go out to those who have lost others or those who gone on before us. But yes, keep the culture alive. Tomorrow is promised to no one. So yeah, man, thanks for joining Dr. Sue here, and thanks for Jamaicans.com for hosting this. And if you don't want to know more about Dr. Sue, our books and our poetry or whatever, visit our website, drsueandyou.com. So that's Dr. Sue, DRSUEAND and the letter U.com. Wow, good. Enjoy the festival, cause cherry, oh, baby, don't you know I'm in love with you?